Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online JEE guide. Start by setting a realistic daily schedule and prioritizing high-weight topics first. Use reliable sources and a mix of video lectures, notes, and practice problems. Track progress weekly and adjust your plan based on performance. Stay hydrated and take short breaks to recharge. Keep your goals visible to maintain motivation and steady momentum throughout your preparation. Pick resources that match the JEE syllabus and your learning style to avoid wasted time. Combine one comprehensive course with selective topic boosters and frequent past paper practice. Favor content that explains concepts with worked examples and incremental difficulty. Organize bookmarks and notes for quick revision. Rotate between watching, practicing, and reviewing to reinforce memory. Regularly prune resources that aren't helping to keep your study load manageable and focused. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips and guides. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for carrying notes and textbooks without the bulk. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Your support helps us make better content and keep study resources coming. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Develop a practice routine centered on timed mocks and immediate review to convert knowledge into performance. After each test, categorize errors and make short revision cards for repeat mistakes. Simulate test conditions to improve speed and concentration. Seek feedback from peers or mentors when patterns of errors emerge. Balance problem solving with conceptual reviews to prevent new mistakes. Maintain a steady testing cadence to build confidence and reduce exam anxiety naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.